Things you need: sewing machine, fabric, cardboard for the pattern, scissors, elastic, and thread. For the fabric, I chose this blue and pink flowers fabric. It's really pretty. This mask will be for a girl. Now I'm tracing with a pen, using my pattern. It doesn't have to be perfect. We need to fold on each side of the fabric. This is for our filter pocket. Here, as you can see, I am attaching the elastic. Make sure that you go ahead and sew twice so that it is secure. Now I am pulling the other side of the elastic. Again, making sure that you sew on there twice so that it is secure. This is the other side of the ear for the elastic. And again, we are going to make sure that it is secure, sewing twice on there. And this is the final side of the elastic. Right here on this step, don't forget that this is your filter pocket. This is your filter opening, so you don't want to sew all the way. You do want to make sure that you sew twice though, so that the thread doesn't come apart or the sewing doesn't come apart. Here I am using a fuzzy stick or a pipe cleaner. It's got to be cut at 6 inches. And this is for the nose part of the mask. I am using a glue gun to stick the fuzzy stick on there, and the reason for that is because it will be more flexible this way and it will stay attached. I am putting a little bit of glue on each end, and the reasoning for this is so that the pointy metal part does not stick out and hurt your nose. Now we're gonna flip the mask. And there you have it. You have your mask. Now we are gonna go ahead and we're gonna start ironing. As you can see right there, there's your filter pocket. Here we are going to make 2 folds, and we are going to secure the 2 folds with just pin needles, as you can see here. And then we will be ironing that part, and then in the end we are going to go ahead and just sew each side. And here is our finished product. I really hope you like this mask and you enjoyed watching this video. I hope that you found it easy to sew. You can also do it by hand if you don't have a sewing machine. You can make it in any fabric color. If you don't have fabric, you can just use any old clothes that you don't use anymore. Now I'm just going to insert the filter to the mask. This is a pleated filter. It's made out of cotton and polyester. I will leave a link in the description box as to where you can buy this filter. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please subscribe to my channel and give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Bye!